Everybody, it's Eugene Lee Show here. Don't forget the Forensic Photography Symposium is coming up January 17th to 20th, 2022. This is truly an international event. We're inviting speakers from all over the world to really focus in and discuss problems related to forensic photography. With me today, I have David Witzke, often goes by Ski, and he is our keynote speaker. And so, David, what can you tell me about your presentation and what's the issue with image quality and clarity?
Well, good morning, and thank you very much for allowing me to speak today. When we get into image quality and clarity issues, there are so many people that do not understand what resolution means and also what bit depth means in terms of how do you visualize complex latent prints or question documents. It's all about image quality as to whether or not you can actually see if the detail is present. And the clarity is the ability to see the contrast between like ridge detail in a background, footwear, or even question documents, and to be able to identify clearly what is crucial, critical detail versus background.
Excellent. Well, you've been doing this a long time, many decades, I believe. So, and you're also a person that trains law enforcement agencies and people all over with respect to forensic photography. So I think it's going to be a really interesting presentation. Thank you very much. And I look very much forward to your presentation. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.